Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today, yes, it's the 18th week of the lockdown here in the Netherlands, and today, in the daily newspaper, on Tuesday, April the 20th, 2021. We have only one regular Sudoku, and it's Medium Sudoku. But there's also in this newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra Sudokus. I only do 4 of them, and the first. But first, yes, we will solve this baby, and this one will be 2662. 2662. Oh, right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the Sudokus in additional with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, this one is a 1 star. And 27 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Yeah, indication. All right, but you cannot tell always a Sudoku with 24 printed digits is easier than a Sudoku with 27. Yeah, you cannot tell. Maybe this one is more difficult than a Sudoku with 24 printed digits. So you cannot tell. It depends if you have a lot of pairs. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. All right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. We have a 7 in this row. 7 in. Wait. Need to wait. Moment. Let me see. 6, 2, 2 should be there. Okay. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 8. We have a 1 and an 8 in the last column, so no 1 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. Then 5, 5, 2, 2. Then 3. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. Then 6. Yeah, well. 6. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row, so no row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And then 9, 4. 3. Let me scan. How about the number the 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. How about these three missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have the 6 and the 9 here, so no 6 and the 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. 6 and the 9, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So now we have one box left in this row for the number 5. All right. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 9 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. 1 number left in this column for the number 9. No, 9 we have. How about 6? 6 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. All right. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 5 and 7. No, 7 we have. 5 and 2. 5 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and 5. 3, 4, 6. Yes. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 6 should be here. Or there we see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. All right. So now 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2, okay. Then. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 1, 2. Yeah. 9. Okay. How about the number 7, 1, 2, 5, 7. The 8 should be here. 8. Yeah. 7. Okay. Let me see. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 9. Yeah. 6. 1, 3, 2. Yeah. Let me put some numbers because it's taking too long. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, the last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, the only 3 places for the 6 would be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6, there's 6, could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so no row between. The only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above, so in that row, only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there, no 8 there, 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there, no 8 there, 8 could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. Alright, could be here, could be there. How about the 4? 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so the row below, the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 could be here, could be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Aha, aha, aha. We have a pair. Look, look, look. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in the third row. So no 5 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 5 and a 9 in the first column. So no 5 and a 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So these 2 numbers, 2 and a 6, cannot be. The 5 and the 9 goes as a pair. Alright, so I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And here I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. 5 and the 9, so those 2 boxes should be the numbers 8 and the 7. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in the third row for the number 8. Alright, I have marked those 2 boxes with the 8. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this first column for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and a 7. I cannot fill this yet, but let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 7. So I've eliminated the 6, so the 6 goes there. Alright, then 3, 7. Alright, yeah. 1, 1. In this column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be there or here. Well, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Alright. 1, 1. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Okay. Then 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. 2 and a 5. Need a 9 here. Yes, 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place for the 9 should be there. Alright, now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. Alright. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. The 7 is missing here. I need a 7 there. 3 and a 7. How about now we have a 9 here, so this box cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. All right. One box left in this column for the number no, 4. Yes, 4 is missing here. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. All right, 1 number left in this row for number 5. All right, now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. All right, 1 number left in this column for the number 2. All right, now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. All right, 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 5. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. All right, 3 and a 7 are missing in this row. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right, 1 number left in this big square for number 3. All right. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for number 7 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. All right, great. Medium Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the extra Sudokus. In the additional, yeah, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.